Feel like I'm at a soccer game or something or other. We got a big giant head floating around. But my name is Todd Polk, and this is my cohort in crime, Robert Hart. And for all you parents out there, yes, we are tasked with herding all these cats. We're trying to do the best we can. So we're going to kick it off and do a few thank yous first, because we're going to make you wait just a little more before we give the awards. You're up. Oh, I'm up. You're up. Your turn.
Okay. So one of the real ingredient that makes this work is having sponsors, and having sponsors that invest the time and the effort to support these teams throughout their whole projects. We're in the interest of time, we can't go through and list all of them, but the teams know who they are. So if you'll join me in a round of applause, let's thank all our sponsors and all our clients. If any of our sponsors' clients are here, can you raise your hand? All right, thank you. Thank you. The next important group of folks that we need to recognize are our team mentors. And these are the mentors that work with our teams throughout the whole year. These are separate from our sponsors. They meet with the teams, help them throughout the course of their project. So if our TMs, if you're here, any of you, can you raise your hands, please, so we can. All right.
And believe it or not, the two of us don't do everything here. We've got a lot of support from our departments. From the biomedical engineering department, I'd like to thank Edith Nad and Dina Garza and Hannah Hutchins. And from the mechanical engineering department, honestly, we really probably couldn't do Expo without Jennifer Clump. And she's got help this year behind the camera. Turn the camera all the way around. There's Saloni Jaswal. It looks like you're doing staff.
I'll do staff. Yeah.
It's like a tennis match.
Yeah. And special shout out to Jennifer. You've been doing this for 10 years, right? You've been here since the beginning. Yeah. So she helped organize the very first expo that we had here. So the other group of people that we do want to take a moment to recognize is our UT Design staff. So the facilities that you see here, takes a whole staff of people to operate this outside of just the academic part. And first and foremost, Rod Wetterskog, if you're here, thank you, Rod, for all you do. You know, a lot of the students may not know Rod, but he works behind the scenes tirelessly to keep all this working and flowing as well as it does. So thank you. Working in the office, Nancy is not here. She had to leave early today, but thank you, Nancy, for all you do to support our teams. Our procurement person and full-time miracle worker, Audrin. Yeah. Almost everything you see here in all of these projects was purchased by Audrin at some point, probably within about 2 or 3 weeks this spring. So she is fabulous at what she does. So thank you. Yeah.
Show yourself. Come on, you're such an important role here.
I think she just ran out the door.
All right. Next, we want to thank the staff that runs the studio here and manages the studio. So first of all, Gene Wotan. And also Amanda. So thank you, Gene and Amanda. They are the ones that are here for whatever it is, 14 hours a day, helping the teams do, drilling holes and cutting things to length and making sure they have the tools and supplies they need. So they are a critical part of the success of all the teams that you see here. Over in our machine shop, we have staff over there that has built a lot of the parts and consults with a lot of our teams. So we want to thank Mark Powell Mark, if you're here, raise your hand. Andrew Bittner, thank you very much. That's it. He was just telling me he's been working 65-hour weeks, so it's
Welcome.
a brutal schedule in the spring. Also in the machine shop, Eric. Thank you, Eric, for all you do for our teams.
I'll do it. Huh? Oh, we forgot two very important people who you probably heard today helping out during the judging, and that's our two TAs that have kept you guys in line all semester on your weekly stuff, and that's Nathaniel Tishono and Eric Bates, wherever they are. I can't see you guys, but Dr. Hart and I thank you tremendously for what you've done to help us this time. Okay. It says I'm supposed to explain the award categories. That must mean we're getting close to doing awards. So there's so many teams here that we divided you into, well, 4 categories, right? One's a design challenge. So they're their own little special category. So we'll see who wins that. We have a biomedical application category. We have a mechanical application category. And because we had so many automation and manufacturing prototypes this time and projects, you got your own category. So that's a whole separate set of awards. So we've got 4 sets of awards to give out. So we're going to start. And Dr. Hart's going to start.
Oh,
You get to go first. You go first and last. Yay, we got it right.
We got it right?
Yay, we got it right.
All right. We'll get organized here. All right. So we're going to start with the third place awards. And the third place award in the automation and manufacturing category goes to Team 1413. Panel press loading and unloading process to improve ergonomics. There you go. Congratulations. So we thank KPS Global for sponsoring this project.
Can I get one more?
Yep.
2 and 3. You took 12 already.
Hey,
Social media.
awesome. Thank you.
All right. So, wrong one. So, third place today in the biomedical application category is team number 1431, non-invasive anchor for air occlusive chest tube, sponsored by UT Southwestern. So, yeah, who's going to be the holder? The ETL. There you go.
Here we go, guys. 1, 2, and 3. Awesome. Y'all good. Thank you.
The third place award for a project in the mechanical engineering category goes to Team 1400, design of a multimodal loading device sponsored by Adaptive 3D.
I don't hear any cheering. Did he run away?
We're all the way. Team 1400, are you here?
You're actually next, too. You got 2, or I got 2 later. Okay.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Already good to go. 1, 2, and 3. All good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
All right, we're going to move on to the second place awards. So we're going to go back now to automation and manufacturing. The second place award goes to team 1402, Belleville Spring Kit Assembly Automation.
Bouncing up here with their springs, right?
Yeah, congratulations.
Oh my God, let me see it. Wow, that's awesome.
Don't look at them, look at the cameras.
And 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah, the lead. Right. Blink. Congrats, guys. Yeah, the right one. All right, second place in the biomedical application division today is team 1428. Clinical pain assessment using the thermal grill illusion. You're next.
I guess I'm the first one from this side.
That's because you weren't with your team. Well, there you go.
Thank you so much.
Give it to the boss. Way to go, guys. Over here, over there. By the way, since y'all were clapping, sponsored by UT Southwestern.
Alrighty, beautiful. Here we go. And 1, 2, and 3.
I know, right?
Claire. Claire.
Awesome, y'all are good. Thank y'all.
So in the second place in mechanical engineering, team 1410, trailer to ship a 48 by 48 inch pallet, sponsored by Hill and Smith.
Get a twofer, huh? The seat parts, here comes the trailer. I mean, here comes.
There you go. Congratulations.
You know Jacob?
Yeah, I've got to scoot in a little bit more. Perfect. Alrighty, here we go with 1, 2, and 3. Awesome, thank y'all.
Now it's time for the winners. Everybody's a winner, like I told you earlier. So, family, friends, you probably walked around today and maybe saw a little infographic on your team's computer, right? So we've started doing infographics rather than posters because we are going to promote the heck out of your teams and our program on social media. So we're doing something that's social media friendly. So we had some people independently judge the infographics today. And the team that won the best infographic is team 1418. Atmospheric plant watering system. Sponsored by 26 Marlowe. There you go. Congratulations. Nice work, guys. Nice work.
Alrighty, here we go with 1, 2, and 3. Awesome, thank you.
I get to do a mechanical one. This is kind of fun. So we mentioned the design challenge, so you can see one of them right here in front where everybody can see it flashing away and looking pretty. 3 teams competed in this design challenge to see who could create the best ballistic launch video recording system, sponsored by Lockheed Martin. So the judges and Lockheed Martin were in complete agreement that the winner is team 1417. this first. Okay, sure. Sure. Congratulations. Nice work, guys. Nice work.
Ready, beautiful, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Awesome, thank you.
Wrong one.
Yeah.
There.
Everybody down.
All right, our pile of awards is getting pretty small over here. So we're down to the first place awards in our 3 categories. So starting with automation manufacturing, the first place award goes to team 1420, the dipping robot. Congratulations.
Beautiful, here we go. And 1, 2.
Wait, hold on a second.
Jacob's back there sleeping in the back.
Alrighty, here we go. And 1, 2, and 3.
Oh, it's not good.
Guys, way to go. Yeah.
Long way coming.
Yeah. I had nothing to do with the judging, but that's my team, so yay. He verified the results. I had nothing to do with it. All right. So first place in the biomedical application division is team 1422. Instrumented deep vein thrombosis surrogate leg, sponsored by Precision Medical Products. Thank you so much. Good job.
Yes, Edgar, hold it. You
You get the last one.
Alrighty, beautiful, here we go. And in 1, 2.
Our pile of awards has become vanishingly small. You're down to the last award for the day, which is the first place team in the mechanical engineering category. It goes to team 1408, the thin profile vertical terminal air conditioner.
Congratulations. One sec.
Thank you, Dr. Holmes.
Way to go, guys. Nice work, guys. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Way to go. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate everything.
Absolutely. Congratulations.
It's on my list. Don't worry. All right, everybody. A few quick things before you run out of here because you got work to do besides celebrating. Number one, congratulations to all the teams. All of you showed off today and did well. Please return your name tags to Miss Jennifer, the one waving around a basket of them over here already. Give them to her. Remember, everything goes tonight. It's like a fire sale. Everything's got to get out of here so they can redo the floors. So sponsors, if you're here, take it with you. Otherwise, guys, if you need to store it temporarily, we're going to be down the hall in 121 is where we're going to store things. Thanks to everybody. Thanks to our clients, our sponsors, our TMs. Everybody,